Is your laptop slow, like lagging, freezing, or taking forever to open apps? Don't worry, I'll show you simple ways to make it faster. This is for beginners, and it works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Just follow what I do step by step. First, right-click your taskbar and open Task Manager. Now go to the Startup tab. These are apps that run when your laptop starts. Right-click the ones you don't need, then click Disable. This alone can make your laptop start much faster. Next, let's clean some unnecessary files. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Type temp, then click OK. Now press Ctrl plus A, then delete everything. These files are safe to remove. Now let's free up even more space. Search for Disk Cleanup and open it. Check all the boxes, then click OK. This removes junk files that slow down your system. One last step for better performance. Search for Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. Select Adjust for best performance. Then click Apply. Your laptop should feel smoother after this. And that's it, your laptop should now be faster. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.